Total loss of oil pressure on the left engine, we declared an emergency and headed to Amarillo. Not all ferry flights end happy, as new planes to owners are not always as they seem. The oil pressure dropped to 0. We watched the CHT stand turn to Amarillo and declared an emergency. The CHT started climbing, so we shut down the engine knowing that the loss of pressure was real. We pulled the mixture to shut down the engine, throttle idle and feathers the propeller, and secured the engine. With the engine secure,